Look at this, what I got here. It's a kit. Oh, wow. I paid for this, right? So I didn't get this for free or anything. So that's why you get a good review now. I hope it doesn't fly away. How does this open? Oh, wow. It's very hard to open. You need all your fingers. Now, is this the right way or the other way? Oh my God. Okay, so this part here works with this way of how the box works, right? This is still in here. This seems to be screwdriver, Phillips. Regular Phillips screwdriver. Wow. Okay, and then this is something to get the insulation of the wires. It's a very sharp edged. So this thing here is super sharp edged. It's like a knife. Better wear gloves when you use that. Okay. Who knows what that is good for? Like just there. Okay. So this goes in here, but you can tell already when you close it that this area doesn't cover all the inserts. Look at this. There's a handful of inserts in here. Like this. Where with that Phillips screwdriver, you probably change inserts. Full open. Sounds like cricket. And then this is all now not sorted anymore. Does it have letters on there? Here it says F on this one. F on this one. So F and F goes together. Look at that. But I don't know where it belongs in what hole here. And this says C and C. C and C together. Wait, does it make sense? Yeah, it looks okay. C and C. C. What's this? DC3. This is D. This is B. This is E. B. B and B. Those two. B and B. E and D. Yeah, this is E and E. B, C. What was this again? F. B, C. So it starts with B. B. C. D. E and F. B, C, D, E, F. That doesn't really fit here in this thing. And then I don't know what this is because you can't see it as long as it's in here, but I imagine it's A. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Does the manual say what is what? No, it doesn't say letters, right? It just is pictures. It goes by pictures. Here it doesn't say A, B, C, D. So the manual sucks. The whole thing here is not cool because it all falls out when you shake it. Probably like during transport. But it is a good case. Case looks good. You know, you don't need this often, I guess. There it goes, Amazon.